The Government of India on 8 November 2016 demonetized the 1000 and the 500 rupees currency notes with immediate effect. Announcing this, the Prime Minister of India said that the old currencies will be nothing but useless pieces of paper. But the people might not exchange all currency notes with them. They might retain some pieces for various reasons. The Prime Minister of India further said that the decision would unearth black money. Actually, 90% of the black money exists in foreign countries and in the form of securities, gold and landed properties. Only 10% remains in the form of currency notes. Mr. Arun Jaitley, the Finance Minister of India, said that the demonetization would lead to cashless transaction. He can now deposit a small amount, say 2000 rupees, into every Aadhaar account holder. The account holders may be asked to take the money using debit cards. This would revive economic activity immediately. The decision to demonetize the currency has affected a large number of people. The tourists, both foreign and Indian, were the worst hit. The economic activity has fallen down drastically. The traders say that the business has fallen down by 50%. In Kerala, the traders have announced an indefinite strike. The property prices have also fallen down, affecting the marriages of girls. At the same time, there is corresponding gain for some others. The coolies have no job because the employees have no money. Many in the hospital suffer like anything. In some places, the people have started looting the ration shops. In some other places, some people have even committed suicide. However, notwithstanding everything, the decision to demonetize the currency is a well thought out one. It has a sound economic sense. The courage and the conviction of the officers to implement this decision must be commended because it is like doing the impossible. This decision has several positive points. One can estimate the benefits only after 2 or 3 months. The idea of demonetization was in the air for a long time. In one story, a beggar demanded demonetization of 1,000 and the 500 rupees currency notes. He considered this as the panacea for all the ills of the nation. The Prime Minister also has assured on digital India before coming to power. The present man, in one of the recent letters, told him that he could have introduced cashless transaction. However, someone in some place might have persuaded the Prime Minister to take this momentous decision. The government must reveal his identity. Now, India is in for an unprecedented growth, hitherto unknown to Indians. The only condition is the government must hereafter act in good faith without any ulterior motive in public welfare and consistent with the Constitution of India. Thank you for the decision. Thank you.